saw this video go viral of this young South African guy, and you know, he's trying English. Hy's duidelik Afrikaans, maar hy probeer. En partykeer is Engels moeilik, selfs vir Engelse mense.
Nee guys, so a lot of my friends say when I speak English, you can hear the Afrikaans accent, but you know what? I'm going to prove you wrong. Today I will be speaking like a lekker, extinguished English gentleman. Okay, so 10 of the hardest English words to pronounce. Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire. Okay, we don't have to worry about that one. It's okay, we can do another one. Onomatopoeia. Onomatopoeia. Daar vat hy. Squirrel. Pneumonia. I think I said it reg. You guys see, I sound like a Saudi. You can hear it. Yo, this is a very long word, guys. Kom ons sien. Flocinaci purification. Flocinaci.
Just so we're clear, môre Evan, wat is daai woord gewees, Anna?
So, dit was eintlik anemone.
Like a sea anemone.
Ja, yes.
Oh, wow. Ek dog is anonymous. Anonymity.
Yes.
Wat vir my verskriklik mooi. Môre en welkom, hoe gaan dit?
Baie dankie, het gaan goed, dankie.
Lekker, Evan. Jy is van Germiston af?
Yes, Elspark.
Okay, wat is die skool?
Ek is in Hoërskool Oosterlig.
Yes. Lekker. Dankie dat jy 'n klas afgevat het vanoggend. Watter ene was dit? Een van jou gunstelinge?
Nee, ek like nie wiskunde, jammer juffrou. Maar wiskunde is nie my gunsteling nie en ek's baie gelukkig ek mis die eerste twee periodes.
Wiskunde. So wat se graad is jy nou?
Ek is graad 9 en 15 jaar oud.
9 en 15 jaar oud, duidelik Afrikaans. Maar weet jy, die ding is nee, ek dink dit is my verskriklik mooi en belangrik dat mense probeer.
Ja.
Dit is 'n selfvertroue ding.
Ja. Beslis.
I think about myself here, you know, I haven't spoken Xhosa for so many years. I don't speak it ever anymore. I don't have the
You're not surrounded by it.
No, and I
That's
don't have the
what it is.
confidence, and then you don't even try it because you don't want to say the wrong thing.
Yeah.
Do you know what I'm saying? But
Yeah.
but who cares, man?
Really.
Kyk, ek hou 'n bietjie vas in Afrikaans baie keer en dan vra ek se formaat nou op die lig. Wat is hierdie woord in Afrikaans? Want ek weet nie, maar ek wil graag leer en beter praat. So soos jy sê, it's confidence and it's just asking.
And English is harder.
English is hard.
Ja.
Because there are odd ways of spelling things
Ja.
as well. Hoe gaan dit met jou Engels op die skool?
Sure. So met my praatjie, ek moet hierdie kwartaal praatjie doen en ek hoop maar vir die beste op daai deel, maar met my wat se essay mos.
Essay, ja.
Yes, sir.
Dis okay, maar eerste kwartaal het ek bietjie rondgeneuk. Jammer pappa. Jammer mamma, maar ook die luister. En ek het geslaag. Dis
Hey, that's
Hey.
So, waaroor gaan jy praatjie dan nou wat jy moet doen? Is
Ja,
dit
so-
like a monologue, what do you call it?
I'm assuming 'n toespraak wat jy moet doen vir
Ja.
Ja, dit gaan oor ons GC, ons loopbaan wat ons wou doen.
Okay.
Okay, and so what's the topic? What
So ek het maar net 'n rekenmeester gekies vir die maklikste
Accountant.
opsie. Yes, want is baie maklik om inligting daaroor te kry. Maar wat ek eintlik wil doen is ek wil 'n voltydse fotograaf wees want ek het al klaar my fotografie besigheid en 'n weaving besigheid.
Wow.
En waar ek solar security kameras insit wat met internet werk.
15.
Ja,
Jou eie
15.
besighede.
Yes.
Kyk vir jou, Evan.
Baie dankie.
Hoekom is dit vir jou belangrik om Engels te praat?
Jo, ek het eintlik 'n antwoord daarvoor nie, maar
Dit is my I mean, hoekom nie? Dit
ja,
kan besigheid ook seker makliker maak.
Ja, dis lekker, dis 'n meer gewilde taal, so ek Ja, dis kan ek meer Engels praat.
So you're going to do a thing called accounting. I'm going to become an accountant.
O nee, ek het net gedoen vir die GC.
Because the words are easier. Accounting and stuff like that. En as dit by musiek kom, wat se musiek luister jy?
Meestal Bok van Blerk, Early B, Martin Bester.
Good job.
Well done.
Maar ja, dis
Afrikaanse musiek.
Ja, Afrikaanse musiek hoofsaaklik.
Weet ek sê altyd musiek is vir my so belangrik want 'n mens leer so baie deur musiek.
Ja.
En een van die dinge wat jy deur musiek kan leer is tale.
Ja.
Ja.
Languages. If you think about it, I know how to count in Spanish.
No, I know where you're going with this.
You know what I'm saying?
Yes.
True, it's true.
You know how to count in Spanish thanks to music.
Ja.
Thank you, The Offspring and Green Day and those bands. What else? There are so many other. Te quiero, doesn't that mean? Verstaan jy? Jy ken sulke woorde.
Wat sê te kere? Yes.
En as ek goed is deur musiek. So ek gaan nou ons gaan so 'n bietjie 'n game speel, Alanis Morissette lyrics onder
Ja.
andere. Alanis Morissette, are you van Taylor Swift?
Ek luister nou en dan na 'n paar van haar liedjies, maar nie baie.
Kan jy een van haar liedjies noem?
Ja, is 'n bietjie pressure op my.
Ja, nee, seker. Maar daar's 'n nuwe song van haar wat ons gaan net, we can explore the lyrics with Evan this morning. Our special guest on the show this morning is Evan Jonk. Hy is uit Germiston, and you know what, he got our attention on TikTok, was shared around because you know, he's Afrikaans and Engels is baie keer moeilik. But he's got endurance, man.
Yeah, he does.
He's motivated to keep trying, and we love that. We absolutely love that. Some English-speaking people coming through saying, yeah, man.
Johan, goeiemôre. Dis Evan hierso. Ek wil net vir jou sê sterkte met die Engels. I know it can be difficult, but give it your best shot. We're all with you. We're all behind you. For those of us who have battled with both languages, my parents, one was Afrikaans, one was English. So by die huis het ons albei tale gepraat. So ek was net lucky geweest, maar ja, sterkte. Mag dit goed gaan en ja, gebruik haar YouTube video's, hoor.
Just pull yourself to hold yourself there. Okay, don't worry. Okay. Gaan groter dan my hare. Okay.
Okay, so not necessarily English first language speakers coming through.
Nice.
See, jou van sport ook. Oh, sorry. I was also told that the rest of the interview must be in English because otherwise how would you learn? You like your sport? Oh, hang on. Let me find you again. There you are. Yeah.
Yes, I play rugby.
Okay, what position do you play?
Wat vaste kop in Engels? Tight head.
There we go. Look at you.
Tight. I know you live in Germiston. Does that mean you're a Lion? Which team do you support?
O, nee, I'm not a Lion. I was, but then I went to the Blue Bulle.
Okay.
I love you so much.
Nice.
Okay.
You're the cutest.
All right,
bieren.
that's okay.
Yeah.
You came over. You've been to games at Loftus, obviously. Do you like?
Yes, the semi-finals against the Sharks.
Oh, that was a good one.
Yeah, very nice.
That's a very good one to be there. And you say that one day you like photography because you like Formula One.
Yes.
All right.
I shoot sport. I want to go into portraits, but mostly racing and sports.
Okay. I see that you show just on your phone. He takes great pictures, by the way, of racing. What is it called? Go-kart racing and stuff.
Go-karting. F300, 400 and 200.
That's a passion of yours, surely.
Yeah.
And tell me, school. So you said that, math is not your, you're not big on math.
Yeah, it's not my favorite, jammer juffrou, but
Yeah.
it is what it is.
And what other subjects do you like?
Sure. Not accounting.
Not accounting,
Because-
good.
Because
Yes,
it's not
see,
math,
because-
not accounting.
Not accounting.
Ek's jammer pa, maar yeah, I'm exposing myself. I think kwartaal term 2, nee? Yeah,
good.
Well done.
term 2 accounting test. Yes, yeah. I don't know if I passed that one. I hope I did. But I passed business, so daar vat hy, that's okay.
Business is good. If you pass business, that's very
Done.
good.
Yeah. So it's, I only worried about passing term 2, but this term It's my academic comeback, don't worry about it.
Look at you, an academic comeback. I love this.
Come back, kid. Okay, so I know you like music, but we thought ourselves, like, I love music for many things. You learn so much about music.
Yeah.
And I've learned a lot about English, actually. You pick up words and stuff. You sing a word with a singer, and you're like, what does that word mean?
Yeah.
And you Google it or whatever, and then it tells you. So I've chosen 2 songs for you this morning. The first song is a Taylor Swift song. It's called Fate of Ophelia. I'll play you this song, and then you read the lyrics for us. And the reason I'm doing this is because there's a lot to be said for the way you say a word. The meaning of a word comes through in the pronunciation. Right?
Yes.
So it's inflection and getting it all right. So let's see if you can pass this test. And if you pass this test, your English teacher can say what they want to say.
Yeah.
Then it's good enough because it's live on radio.
Yeah, this is basically your toespraak that you're doing right now.
There we go.
Are you big on Shakespeare?
Sure. nee, eintlik nie.
Not at all.
Yeah, not really.
Not really. So you don't love a Shakespeare. You don't have a favorite Shakespeare play.
I'm
or
not
anything?
actually a poet. I'm more of Clash Royale and rugby.
Okay, no. Okay, no, I'm with you. All right, so this song is called Fate of Ophelia. Ophelia is a character from a famous Shakespeare, was it Hamlet? And this is how she sings this line.
Is locked inside my memory, and only you possess the key. No longer drowning and deceived, all because you came for me.
All right, so would you just hand him the page there? So if you can just recite that for us, and let's just quickly let's see how close to Taylor Swift you can get it.
This locked inside my memory, and only you possess the key. No longer drowning and deceived, all because you came for me.
There we go. Easy enough. That's easy enough. En daar's 'n tannie bietjie ouer as Taylor Swift, haar naam is Alanis Morissette.
Klein bietjie ouer.
Ja.
Ek dink ek het vandag gehoor nie.
Alanis Morissette back in the day. So these days the words aren't that big that they use in songs.
No.
But going back a couple of years, they were.
Yeah.
They were a little big. This is a song by Alanis Morissette.
How about no longer being masochistic?
It's a good song. Good song.
How about remembering your divinity? How about unabashedly bawling your eyes out?
It's a good song, eh?
Yeah.
Do you like
yeah.
it?
It's relaxing.
How about not equating death with
Okay.
stopping?
So now, I must be honest with you, Evan. I've heard that song so many times in my life, and I've never really understood what she's singing there.
Me neither.
Until you read it. So if you don't mind, read it. Just read the lyrics for us so we can see, so we can understand what we're actually listening to here.
Okay.
This is your final test.
How about no longer being masochistic?
Not bad.
Masochistic's very good. Yeah, yeah.
Mas-
Not bad.
Masochistic.
Not bad.
How about remembering your divinity?
Divinity. Nailing it.
Yeah.
No.
How about unabashedly bawling your eyes out?
Beautiful.
But listen, because whoever uses that term,
Unabashedly.
have you ever
Unabashedly.
used that word before in your life? No.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Syver Engels daai.
Yeah.
How about not equating death with stopping?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Is that
Yes.
it?
Wow.
Dude, you did much better than I did.
Yeah, no,
We give you an
fuck
A+.
word.
Listen,
for
young
toespraak.
let no one ever tell you that you are doing badly. You are doing so incredibly well. You are doing better than most people I know
Thank
with
you.
those words in a
Dank
damn Alanis Morissette song.
Yes.
Alright, let me tell you something. Die een shout-out vanoggend.
Yes, daar's so 7 ouens wat my gevra het. Bradwin, wie nog? Renier, Leila, Jaden, Kaiden, Sebastian, Mika. En Mika het op my groep gesê, "Evan, jy moet sê. Jy moet vir hulle sê ek het jou daai idee gegee vir 'n video." Daar vat hy Mika, maar sorry. Hy het nie maar ja.
Dankie,
I
Mika.
love it so much. If you can do me a favor and just take this link for me. So you're just going to say, coming up is Brian Adams and Cloud number 9.
Yeah.
And you're listening to Jacaranda, your number 1 feel-good station. If you can just say that for me, and then you can sign off. It was so lekker to meet you. Good luck daarso, sterkte met die fotografie.
Baie dankie.
En met die res van skool. Jy doen jou skool soveel trots en jou ouers en goeders. Dankie vir jou eerlikheid. Thank you for just so incredibly well-mannered young man.
You're a lovely,
Well done.
lovely, lovely young man. Your parents will be very proud.
You keep nailing that English, my
Ja.
friend. Eendag gaan dit wees Evan die fotograaf en poëet.
Daar vat hy.
Daar vat hy. So do this link for me. Coming up is
Coming up is
Brian Adams.
Brian
no,
Adams.
yeah, Brian Adams. You know, have you never heard of Brian Adams?
Nee.
Hold on. Have you heard of BTS?
Ja,
Kind of.
Bietjie.
Yeah.
Teddy Swims, Camila Cabello.
Camila Cabello.
Coming up later, Billie Eilish.
Billie Eilish.
Okay, ja.
Yeah. Okay. So coming up later, Billie Eilish on Jacaranda FM, your number one feel-good station.
Coming up, Billie Eilish.
Ja.
Wat is die liedjie naam?
The liedjie se naam is Birds of a Feather.
Birds of Feather, Billie Eilish, at your favorite feel-good station with Martin Best.
That's good enough. Jy's 'n legend, my bro.